Okay, today in 7.2, we're going to look at these special cases as far as substitution is concerned. So we got three cases again. Remember from graphing what these look like. If I have one solution, you'd have the two lines. They go ahead, cross, so our one solution would be the point at which they cross. No solution is where you have parallel lines, and they never cross. And then many solutions would be when you have both lines are the same. Okay, so that's the key for the many solutions. It's the same exact line. Okay. For substitution, it's a little different. Substitution, you're going to have one solution. When we're able to go through all four of our steps and we have x equals a number, y equals a number. Okay, so those are the ones we've been doing now for like 2-3 days. The no solution, many solutions are going to be like where the issues pop up. So for no solution or many solutions, what you're going to have is all letters go away. And for there to be no solution, you need to have a false statement. Okay, so a false statement would be something like 7 equals 4. Okay, like all the letters go away, I'm left with 7 equals 4. You ask yourself, does 7 equal 4? Absolutely not. Okay, so if you end up with a false statement, that would be a no solution. Many solutions, same deal. All letters go away. But this time, you're going to get a true statement. Okay, so example of a true statement would be something like 2 equals 2. Okay, you ask yourself, does 2 equal 2? Absolutely, it does, so we're good to go. Okay, with these, it's the same 4 steps you've been following. Okay, so you have 2 examples here. Same 4 steps. So let's just go through them quickly. Let's go. Step 1 is to go ahead and write my x equals or y equals. In this case, it's y equals 4x minus 20. So we write it. We circle it. Step 2 is to write the other equation. In this case, 8x minus 2y equals 40. And we go ahead and plug in the circle. So since it's y equals, we go ahead and plug in for y. Giving me 8x minus 2, 4x minus 20 equals 40. Okay, from here, we know we distribute. So I distribute the negative 2 in. Gives me 8x minus 8x plus 40 equals 40. Left-hand side, combine your like terms, 8x minus 8x, gone. Okay, so we are just left with 40 equals 40. This is when the alarms have to go off in your head. You notice that all the letters went away. So we come up here. All letters go away. If all the letters go away, we have a, look, is it a false or a true statement? So in this case, I have 40 equals 40. You ask yourself, does 40 equal 40? Is that true? Absolutely it is. So we're going to go with many solutions. Okay. Right hand side. Same deal. Step 1. Write it down. So in this case, I have an x equals, which is no big deal, it's just a little different. So x equals, circle it. Step 2. Write the other equation out. So in this case, it's x plus 2y equals 6. And then we plug in. In this case, since it's x equals, I'm plugging in for x. Giving us negative 2y plus 3 plus 2y equals 6. Left-hand side, if I have a negative 2y and I add a 2y to it, they're gone. So I'm left with 3 equaling 6. At this point, all the letters are gone, so alarms are going off in your head. Okay, all letters went away. So we got to look at it. Is it a true or false statement? Okay, does 3 equal 6? Absolutely not. It's a false statement. So we are going to have no solution.